Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can favorite a game on Roblox. For instance, you want to save this Bloxy Bingo game, you're just going to select it and select favorite. Now this game will then be on your profile, so go to your profile here, and if you scroll down you'll find your favorite games right here, and then you can just click on it to then go and play it here. And that is pretty much how you can favorite a game on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!